Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you this super quick hairstyle featuring Aunt Jackie's products. Let's get started. I'm starting off with 5th day hair and I'll be doing a side part. You can use a comb for this, but I used my fingers. Now I'm spraying water along the perimeter of my hair and working the water through. Taking Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss Coconut Curling Gel, I'm applying a generous amount all over the perimeter of my head. Now I'm taking a brush to slake my hair back into a ponytail. After brushing my hair back, I always like to apply more product and brush my hair again to ensure every strand is coated. I really like this gel because no matter how much product I use, it won't cause any flaking or caking. Once you're happy with how your hair looks, tie the hair in a low ponytail. After the ponytail is done, I'm taking an edge brush to smooth down my baby hairs. And I'm just taking more of the Curl Boss gel to slick down my edges. I like to take my time with my edges to make sure they're completely perfect. And this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to join the family. Leave any video suggestions in the comments below. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching. Bye!